Welcome back to the Autoland, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of motorcycles. If you love two-wheelers as much as we do, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now, let's dive into today's topic. The Yamaha NMAX 160cc 2025 has arrived, and it's making waves in the scooter world. Yamaha has taken its popular NMAX model and given it some serious upgrades, making it one of the best choices for urban riders and long-distance commuters alike. Starting with the design, the NMAX 160 retains its sleek and sporty look but now comes with sharper bodywork, improved aerodynamics, and LED lighting for better visibility. The front fascia looks aggressive, while the overall body maintains its premium and futuristic appeal. Under the seat, you get a spacious storage compartment, big enough to fit a full-face helmet and some extra essentials. The seat itself is well padded, providing excellent comfort for both the rider and passenger. Now, let's talk about the heart of the NMAX 160. The engine. Yamaha has equipped this scooter with a refined 160cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering smooth power and impressive fuel efficiency. With Yamaha's Blue Core technology and variable valve actuation, VVA, the NMAX ensures strong acceleration and great fuel economy, perfect for both city rides and highway cruising. One of the biggest highlights is the updated digital instrument panel. It now features a larger, more readable display with smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access calls, messages, and navigation assistance. This tech upgrade makes the NMAX 160 feel more premium and user-friendly. The ride quality is top-notch, thanks to telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks that provide excellent stability and comfort. Paired with disc brakes on both wheels and ABS, the NMAX delivers superior braking performance for added safety. Overall, the Yamaha NMAX 160cc 2025 is a well-rounded scooter with impressive power, modern features, and a stylish design. Whether you're commuting daily or taking long rides, this scooter is built to perform. That's all for today's video. What do you think about the new Yamaha NMAX 160? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.